Okay, today we're going to browse the Armani website. So this is the homepage. It is January 11th, 2025. And let's begin. I like this. It kind of gives me the Matrix feel. So this is the fall winter collection of 2024, 40% off. I love the snake, like every company is doing with the Lunar New Year, year of the snake. So let's take a look at the men. We'll start there. Love it. Love it. So take a look at that. They have this polo, cotton polo, this red one right here for $80. Plus two colors over here. We have a regular fit jersey t-shirt for $60. We have a red hoodie with that snake printed on the right. I like that hoodie. $150. Then you have some trousers for $130. Okay, nice. Let's go back. Let's take a look at the women. Basic slim fit t-shirt, $24. Not bad. And that's with 40% off. You have this t-shirt for $50. Regular fit. Black sneakers, chunky sneakers with logo for $170. Not bad. Let's go back. You have these microfiber sneakers with the logo. 40 off, $72. You have another slim fit t-shirt. You have the Armani Exchange logo for $65. The leather belt with the logo, that's 40% off. That's $45. You have some relaxed jeans for $150. These tank tops look basic and nice, $90. I like this hoodie. Not sure if I like the zipper, but that's okay. $78. Let's show more. This crossbody bag. That's a cool color. Super skinny jeans, $140. We have some heels for $180. We have this lightweight zip-up down jacket for $90. Okay, so it looks like show all. Let's see. They have loafers for $220. So it's a little bit up there, but not like super, super expensive like a Celine or Burberry. But it's way more than like a Gap or like a PacSun. So gives you an idea. Like a t-shirt, $65. So they even carry, is this some swimwear? Yeah, some bikinis, socks, bags. You have trousers, jeans, t-shirts, sweaters. You have these leather boots. You have a lot of belts here with the logo. So that logo is just about everywhere. You see that logo on a lot of these products, whether it's a backpack or a belt or if it's a button or a buckle. And the prints everywhere, you're going to see that logo, whether it's on a t-shirt, on a hoodie, on a sweatshirt. Okay, so let's go. Watches. Let's go view all. Here are some Armani watches. Not bad, $150. The cheapest I see one on sale for $78. And this is the website, so I'm sure when I go to the outlets, I'll see better deals. There's a pink stainless steel for 102. Okay. They have a few services here. You can book an appointment with a personalized shopper. That's pretty cool. I wonder if they do that for the outlets as well. Okay, let's go down. Wish list, client service, watches. I don't think we looked at the men's. We could look at the men's. So we have some men's watches here. 190, 225 for the steel watch, two-tone stainless steel for 240. Easy to navigate, some very large pictures, some small. I like the products. Then you can always show more. You can sort and filter, high to low, show 38 results. So the highest, most expensive men's watch would be $290 on the website. As far as the least expensive, we can just do the sort again and go low to high. Show 38 results. So the least expensive 100 would be that style watch. Okay, so let's go back to the homepage. So they also have Armani Casa. Look at that. That's probably a new thing that a lot of companies, or maybe I wasn't aware of that. Okay, so we have Giorgio Armani, Emporio Armani. Look, we even have for skiing, for her, Money Exchange, restaurants. They have clubs. I didn't know about that. Armani, what is this? All right, I want to click on one of these. It's kind of so interactive. I don't even know. I feel like I'm skipping. All right, let's discover more with this Armani clubs. What is this exactly? So the premier nightclubs in Milan and Dubai extend the same warm welcome and level of excellence to their fashionable guests in perfect Armani style. Interesting. Any in New York City? Only in Milan and Dubai? Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday? So this is in Milan. Let's check out the one in Dubai. So we got 2 nightclubs. Let me share this tab with you. Uh-oh. That's not good. So I guess something happened. I don't know with this website. Let me go back. Wait, let's share this. Instead of the Dubai one, let's click on Milan. Let's see if that tab works instead. So it looks like a broken link on the website, or it said to come back later. All right, so we have get directions, and then we have the Instagram. So I love pictures. I don't see any pictures here, but definitely on their Instagram. Let's go view that. We have the Armani Private Club. Private? What does that mean? For exclusive people only? Is this open to the public? I don't know, guys, but it looks like it might be opening to the public. Booking, highly advised. So maybe you just need reservations. I would just call, see if you can book online. Take a look. All right, let's go back to the homepage. Share this tab. We're going to go back. All right, let me just cut that link out. Go back to Armani.com. Here we are. All right, so on the bottom, we can take a look at all these fragrances and stuff like that. All right, help area, digital greeting card, student promotion. What is that? Let's click on this. Students, this is the highest percentage so far. So far, we've been seeing a lot of 15%. This is 20%, which is nice. Okay, you can register to verify your student status and secure your code. So we got 20% off for students. You can join. That is nice. Nothing for teachers, but many teachers are students. We're always learning, so that's a good thing. All right, then we have some legal area, our company, the values. Let's go take a look, and then we'll look into the careers. And then finally, we'll check out their YouTube and Instagram. All right, so I'm going to allow all these cookies. Click on this. All right, so we have, looks very interactive. It's loading. You could discover more. So this is nice. They do support. Let's see, share this tab. Let's go back, share this tab. Discover more. Okay, so we have some documents, PDF file, the cotton project over here. Let's share this tab again. We could watch the video. You guys can do that. Okay, why can't I fast forward? Can I fast forward? All right, you're gonna have to watch that video. Okay, let's go to close out of this. We're gonna go to the share this tab, homepage, and now we're gonna go take a look at the careers. So we can just search, or no, we have to search by, okay, it definitely, we can't just see all the available. I think we have to go click on something and just hit search. So we're just gonna search everything in New York. So in Yonkers, there's at the Cross County Mall, assistant general manager, full-time. Queen Center, Riverhead, Central Valley, this is by me. So, and by you guys right here, the Yonkers. So let's look at the general manager position in Yonkers. Westchester County, New York, 3 years experience, not bad. So starting salary, 65 to 75,000 a year. They could participate in a bonus or commission benefit plan, depending by brand. Comprehensive benefit packaging. Package include medical, dental, vision. So you got a bunch of great benefits, employee benefits, discounts, most likely on the merchandise. And then retirement plans with the employer contribution. So you got a bunch of great benefits here. They don't require you to speak other foreign languages, but it is an asset if you do. I'm filming. I gotta edit this now.
I'm so sorry.
Damn, you scared me.
The wind.
How are you gonna creep up on me like that? What? That wind? That was you.
No, the wind scared me. It like opened
Oh
the
my
whole
gosh!
door.
I'm not re-recording this. Seriously,
Okay.
you're too much. Why are you back here?
Because I want to.
Why?
So I was gonna ask you, can we watch Mr. Beast? So
No, that's Thursday nights.
No,
Okay, bye.
no, but we didn't watch Thursday.
Okay,
week.
just okay. I know. I'll be there in a minute. Hold on. Let me
Okay,
finish
good.
this. Let me finish this.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Y'all,
I
sorry.
forgot what I was saying now. Now I'm just gonna cut the video and be
Y'all,
like,
I'm
"That's
so
it."
sorry. The wind scared me. Like opened up the whole door.
Oh my gosh! See you later. And why aren't you wearing a coat? Isn't
Why
it
not?
cold out there? Is it snowing? All right, that's Bellarama. Anyway, she's too much. All right, going back, we were talking about the job opportunity. So that was Cross County Mall. Then we have by me in Woodbury. Let's scroll down. Oh, 80,000. Not bad at all. This is for a general manager. Yep, general manager. Okay. And then you can look up as far as client advisor. I think that's just like a sales associate. Is this full time? Yeah, hourly rate, 20 to 25 an hour. So that's not bad at all. High school diploma, GED preferred. So it doesn't even look like you need any retail experience, to be honest with you. It doesn't say anything. Usually it will state it here, but I don't see it. It doesn't say it here, but I'm sure they would prefer that. Yeah, preferred retail experience in a similar position. But as long as you have, obviously they don't even prefer, I mean, they prefer your high school diploma or GED. You could definitely start there. And that's a decent hourly rate, 20 to 25 an hour without a degree, like a bachelor's or master's. So that's good. I would apply, get your foot in the door. Then work your way up. And then you can get your degree as you're working part-time for Armani. And then, move on up. All right. So those are some of the positions available. Back to employment, careers, and then what else? I think, oh yeah, and now we're going to check out here's the YouTube. So 246,000 subscribers with 962 videos. So they are active on YouTube. You're going to see a bunch of videos, popular videos. 11 days ago, they posted this video. Let's see if they have anything live. They have playlists. Yes, they do. They have a bunch of playlists, just like me. And you can take a look. I would definitely subscribe. Watch their YouTube channel. Look at the videos. You might find some history, some other information on here, as well as here's the Armani Instagram, the private club we looked up. And then we're going to search Armani, not the club, but just the regular. There's Armani Restaurants, Private Club, Armani Beauty, Armani Exchange, 2.6 million. They have their TikTok over here. All right, so you can, even from the home page, I'm pretty sure it's going to give you a bunch of links to their social media. Oh yeah, right there. So have fun browsing. Till next time. Thanks for watching.